Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2012 VE Commodore wagon SV6 automatic. It's a 3.6 litre LFX engine, 6-speed auto with a tap in the front. It's got 4 good doors, good tailgate, set of wheels with pretty good tyres on them. Let's do a walk around, we'll jump inside and start it up for you. It's cloth trim, the same SV6. I think it's 156 kilometres on it. The airbags have gone off, but it's got some tidy cloth trim in there. I haven't cleaned the back seat out, what a grub. Okay, 152,401 is the kilometres. We'll start her up. Got the old GMH symbol there, and there we go. Bit of an airbag fault because the airbags have gone off. Let's have a look under the bonnet. There's some compliance plates. Not much to see. There we go, upside down. There we are. 9712. So there it is, one SV6 VE Series 2 wagon for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Give us a call to that number up there, 02 4646 1733, and the Parts Plus guys will help you out. Alright, shut this down and move on. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.